Merry Christmas! We haven't opened any gifts yet. We are waiting for my mom and her boo to get here, and my ugly ass brother is on his way too. He's in town. I guess he moved back to Vegas. Oh, whatever. I didn't get you no gift. Sorry. Say Merry Christmas! Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on breakfast real quick. I'm gonna make some French toast, bacon, and sausage. And probably some fruit for her because, you know, she don't really like French toast. So mommy's gonna go ahead and get that started, and then they should be here by the time I finish. So just checking in.
Do. Is that another baby? Oh, pretty. Mom's opening her gift. You gotta ask for Sean, so let me see if you can think about your man. Wow. Oh my God. Working on my name. And they're soft and plush. Yes. I did too. Bald-headed and you like to keep the balls. So I got you a bald man's gift. You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
She irked a nerve. Just acting a nerve.
It's my tripod. It's my tripod. You told me you didn't get it, that lion skin. Oh my God, I have my tripod. Their new vlogs for 2022 about to be me.
Right, she goes straight for the bows.
You too into detail, girl.
Leave my baby alone. Giselle's final gift is done. Thanks, Pop Pop. So I got her plates, spoons, cups, pots and pans, silverware. But I need to get her some food. So my baby can cook me some food. She got a little oven or whatever. She got a dishwasher. Some of y'all don't even got a dishwasher. Catch up. Come on, stinker boy. You like it? I forgot, y'all. She got a phone in her kitchen. Do you got a phone in your kitchen? A wireless one? No, you don't. Ring, ring. Bling, bling. Hotline.
Sing.
So we're gonna go ahead and get started on our gumbo. So I have 2 pounds or 1 pound of crab right here, snow crab legs. I have 2 pounds right here. I have my shrimp, red potatoes, sweet corn that I'm gonna cut up, dice and crushed tomatoes, my gumbo fillet, and I got the Cajun gumbo base. I don't know how to make roux because basically I don't know how to make gravy. So if I don't know how to make gravy, I know I ain't gonna make no roux. And roux is like the base of the gumbo, and if you mess up on that, then your gumbo nasty. So I didn't want to take the chances to play with it, especially because this is my first time. So I went ahead and got the base. My best friend put me onto that. I have the chicken broth, 1 bottle of water, and then I have my Old Bay seasoning for spice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this part started. I have my sausage as well. I have, what else do I have? My sausage. I think that's it. Yeah, I'm not missing nothing else. I already showed you guys everything else, but the sausage is in the refrigerator. I will chop that up later. But let's go ahead and get started on the gumbo base, or the starter. Sorry, it's recording.
think you gotta stop
You can
moving.
zoom in, Javante, and see what it looks like in the pot. So you can see what it looks like in the pot. No, Javante. Mom, can you close the gate, please, and get Giselle in the living room, please? Play with Nana. See, you touching stuff. Because she ran into it. She wasn't in here when it fell. Get out my kitchen. My face ain't in the camera looking like that, is it?
It's not. I'll put you on the camera though.
Oh, you gonna put the microwave this time, not the oven. That's messed up. I can eat food. Oh, don't fit. Oh, that's that 2 second deal? No, whatever.
Alright, hook that up.
I should have bought the big pot. The motherfucker thing, the little pot.